caramel highlights on brown hair. When it comes to hair transformations, few things can beat the magic of caramel highlights on brown hair. Whether you have a deep chocolate hue or a warm chestnut shade, caramel highlights can add a touch of sunshine and dimension to your locks. In this video, we will explore the world of caramel highlights, from the different styles available to the maintenance tips you need to keep your hair looking fabulous. So, if you're ready to elevate your look and embrace a new hair adventure, watch on. Caramel highlights have been a popular choice among hair enthusiasts for several reasons. Caramel highlights seamlessly blend with brown hair, creating a natural-looking glow that mimics the play of sunlight on your locks. They add depth and warmth, making your hair look healthy and vibrant. From subtle, face-framing highlights to bold, chunky streaks, caramel highlights offer a wide range of styling options. You can choose the intensity and placement that suits your personality and desired look. Unlike some other hair colors, caramel highlights don't require frequent touch-ups. They grow out gracefully, allowing you to enjoy your beautiful locks without constant trips to the salon. To keep your caramel highlights looking stunning, follow these maintenance tips. Invest in shampoos and conditioners designed for color-treated hair. These products help prevent fading and maintain the vibrancy of your caramel highlights. Excessive heat styling can damage your hair and cause your highlights to fade. Use heat protectants and opt for lower heat settings on your styling tools. Schedule regular trims to keep your hair healthy and prevent split ends, which can make your highlights appear less vibrant. Caramel highlights on brown hair are a fantastic way to add warmth, dimension, and personality to your look. They offer versatility, low maintenance, and a natural appearance that appeals to many. Consult with a professional stylist to determine the best caramel highlight style for you, and remember to maintain your new look with the right products and care routine. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest beauty tips and trends. Until next time, stay fabulous. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.